Medi can be used daily, morning or night after cleansing. To begin, generously wet your face with water. Your skin must be wet to conduct the EMS energy. Look for the left and right letters on the mask interior. As you guide the mask onto your face, align your nose and mouth to the cutouts. Next, secure the mask on your face, according to instructions. Turn the controllers on by pressing and holding down the plus button on both sides. You will hear a beep and the light will appear. Set to your desired level of intensity by pressing the plus or minus button on both controllers. You will hear a beep at each level change. Level 1 is recommended for the first few uses. Work up to higher levels as you become comfortable. Once the 10-minute treatment begins, you'll feel a sensation in your cheek area. If you wish to stop for any reason, press the plus and minus button on both controllers for 2 seconds. Otherwise, your mask will beep and turn off automatically when the treatment is complete. Since the mask is hands-free, you can be totally mobile during the 10-minute treatment.